Hey everyone, Mr. Slowton himself here. Going to do a little bit of a recap from Saturday night. This little video clip that you're about ready to see is of a driver in the compact class that not once but twice got tagged in the driver's side door. I don't agree with it at all, and yeah, go ahead and watch it now.
My full-size wire guys get lined up.
I get it, being in the heat of the moment and everything else, and you accidentally tag a driver's side door unintentionally, and you throw your hands up, try to show that driver that, hey, I am sorry, I am in the wrong, but it didn't happen. And you could tell that it was on purpose. I don't agree with it. That 58L, the one that actually ended up tearing the door skin completely off that orange car, actually ended up winning that heat. I really honestly believe that car should have been disqualified because it was a intentionally driver's side door hit. And with me doing derbies and everything else, I try, if I accidentally hit the driver's side door, I make sure that that driver knows that, hey, I am sorry, I know I'm in the wrong. And most of the time it's good after that. That driver might tag me in the door on the driver's side, just say, hey, it's fair game. But that is, yes, I understand that part right there is part of the game. But if you intentionally try to take out the driver's side door, it's not okay. Those officials, they should have literally disqualified that car. But they didn't. So hopefully you guys watched the full video. This little clip here I just ended up doing because it's something that I want everybody to see. So yeah, like and subscribe to watch the full video. I got to stop here at the house real quick because one of our cats ended up getting hit or got in a fight, something, and I gotta take it to the vet. So anyway, I'm gonna jump off here. I'm gonna try doing some more editing this afternoon, and yeah, hopefully the full video will be out this evening, maybe it's early tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna jump off here. Have a good day.